Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive deep into the best laser printers for office use. With these fantastic printers, you can expect faster, quality prints that will impress everyone in the office. Each printer's output quality is superior to its competitors, with faster speeds and stunning visuals. We all know that a quality printer is an essential part of any office or work area, and this list will help you decide the best one for your needs. To help you out, we have compiled a list of our top 5 laser printers for office use. Each printer offers unique, quality, and reliable print jobs that will make your office look more professional. These printers can be used in any condition and can provide you with excellent output for any project. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each laser printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So, without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is HP Color LaserJet Pro M182NW Wireless Laser Printer. When it comes to turbocharging your office's printing game, the HP Color LaserJet Pro M182NW Wireless All-in-One Laser Printer is the undisputed #1 choice for high-quality, lightning-fast performance. This sleek and savvy business printer is your ticket to a world of vibrant, professional color documents and exceptional multifunction versatility. You're in the midst of a bustling workday and need to print, copy, or scan in a flash. With speeds of up to 17 pages per minute, this laser marvel covers you, ensuring no more waiting for essential tasks. Plus, its intuitive control panel and numeric keypad make navigation a breeze. But that's not all. Welcome to the future of office printing with the HP Smart App. It lets you rule the printing kingdom remotely, managing print jobs, getting real-time notifications, and even printing and scanning on the go. It's like having a personal assistant for your office tasks. So, if you are interested in this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 2 is the Brother MFC L3710CW Compact Color Laser Printer. The Brother MFC L3710CW Compact Color Laser Printer is one of the champions in office laser printers. It's not just any printer, it's your trusty office sidekick, ready to tackle your daily printing and scanning needs with lightning speed and vibrant results. You've got a stack of important documents to print, and the MFC L3710CW swoops in like a superhero, dishing out a whopping 19 pages per minute. Need to scan? No problem! It zips through 29 pages in black and 22 in color every minute. Talk about fast and furious productivity. But it's not just about speed, this printer adds color to your office life. Its 250-sheet adjustable paper tray is like a snack that keeps giving, minimizing those pesky refills. The 3.7-inch color touchscreen? Pure magic! It lets you dive into popular cloud apps like Dropbox, Google Drive, and more, with custom shortcuts for your favorite features. Whether you're printing from your laptop, smartphone, or tablet, this printer's wireless prowess has you covered. So, if you are inquisitive about this fantastic laser printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 3 is the Lexark C3326DW Color Laser Printer. In today's fast-paced world of office hustle and bustle, you need a printer that's as dynamic as you are. Enter the Lexark C3326DW Color Laser Printer. This compact powerhouse is a game-changer, fitting seamlessly into any workspace with its space-saving design. Say goodbye to constant paper refills with its massive 250-page tray capacity, plus a convenient single-sheet feeder for those urgent print jobs. Setting up this wireless wonder is a breeze, thanks to standard Wi-Fi connectivity that lets you print effortlessly from your mobile devices. But that's not all, it's also equipped with USB and Ethernet options for ultimate flexibility. Whether on your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, you can use the Lexark mobile print app, Mopria, AirPrint, or Google Cloud Print to complete the job. With a recommended monthly page volume of 600-2500 pages and the ability to churn out 26 pages per minute, this printer means business. The 1 GHz dual-core processor and 512 megabytes of memory ensure speedy performance, and it even offers standard 2-sided printing for eco-friendly efficiency. So, if you like this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 4 is the Canon ImageClass MF264DW 2 monochrome laser printer. The Canon MF264DW 2 monochrome laser printer is an optimistic and fantastic addition to any bustling office space. It's a real superhero for office tasks, offering a wireless 3-in-1 experience: print, scan, and copy, all with dazzling efficiency. Imagine printing up to 30 pages per minute, keeping your office's pace lightning fast. No more waiting around with its first printout time of just 6 seconds. Plus, its toner 051 or 051 high-capacity toner option means fewer interruptions for toner replacements, letting you focus on your work, not the printer. With a 250-sheet standard cassette and a 35-sheet simplex ADF, this printer is ready for whatever you throw. And the best part? You can print on the go with Canon Print Business, Apple AirPrint, and Mopria Print Service, giving you the flexibility you need in the modern office world. But wait, there's more! It's not just powerful, it's environmentally friendly, too, boasting Energy Star and EPEAT Silver certifications. So, if you are interested in this laser printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 5 is Brother HLL2395DW monochrome laser printer. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate office sidekick, your search ends here with the Brother HLL2395DW monochrome laser printer. This office dynamo is poised to revolutionize your workday, a flatbed skin glass at your fingertips for quick copies and scans. But hold on, there's more. This printer is engineered for warp speed. It's optimized for efficiency, churning out pages at a lightning-fast 36 per minute. Say goodbye to the frustrating crawl of slower printers and welcome a new era of productivity. Are you fed up with constantly reloading paper? Fear not! This beast boasts a 250-sheet paper capacity, meaning you can print without interruption. It handles both letter and legal-sized paper, so every task is manageable. And here's the kicker, it's all about the cloud! You can effortlessly print and scan directly from your favorite cloud services like Dropbox, Google Drive, Evernote, and OneNote, thanks to the intuitive 2.7-inch color touchscreen. So, if you like this all-in-one laser printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best laser printers for the office. If you want to purchase any of these best sublimation printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.